to another edition of Moms on the Go Cooking in the Kitchen. We appreciate you watching, and make sure you subscribe to our channel and click that little bell for notifications. So this morning we're making a breakfast item to go with bagels. So what we're making is our cream cheese cinnamon spread to go in your bagel. There's a lot of spreads out there. You can buy them in the store, but it's wonderful when you can make your own at home with just a few ingredients. So this little cutie right here is my pup, and she's running around the kitchen a lot of times when I'm making dishes. So I decided to put her in one of my introduction videos. So stay tuned and make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Say bye. So this morning I felt like having a bagel. So instead of going to Panera Bread, no shade, Panera Bread, I love your Asiago bagels and cream cheese, but this morning I decided to make my own. So it's cheaper also if you make it, the cream cheese on your own. If you go to Panera Bread or somewhere else and get your cream cheese, you're going to be paying a little bit more money, and you can make it at home yourself. Again, no shade, I love Panera Bread. So this morning what I'm making is cinnamon cream cheese spread. So I absolutely love the cinnamon cream cheese at Panera Bread. So I thought, well, instead of spending the extra money on a little small one, I could probably make one my own self at home. So this is what I've come up with. I made it once before, so I'm going to make it again. And I'm going to toast my bagel, and I'll show you guys all of that. And I know it's going to be yummy because I've had it before. So, first of all, what we're going to do is we have some Happy Farms whipped cream cheese spread. I normally buy the block of cream cheese, but I thought, well, maybe this is softer and I don't have to work too hard for this. So I'm going to try this out. I purchased this at Aldi. I love Aldi. And then we're going to do a little bit of almond flavor, imitation almond flavor syrup. I have my imperial sugar, pure cane sugar, and we're using the imperial spread. I melted it for another recipe I had a little while ago, so I'm just going to use a little bit of that drizzled on my bagel, and I'm going to toast it on the stove, and then we'll have our ground cinnamon. So the first thing I'm going to do, oh, and I have my bagels, and Aldi brand bagels. They're so soft. So Aldi, I absolutely love a lot of things that Aldi has. So that's the bagels. So I'm going to open up the whipped cream cheese spread. And I have my Tupperware here that I'm going to put just a little, I'm just making a little bit, so I'm just going to put a little bit in there. I don't want it to go to waste. Oh my gosh, look how easy this is. Wow, this is so soft, okay, and very pliable. So I'm going to take just about a spoon, and I'm going to put it in there. And I may just go ahead and do another spoon, just for safety, in case I want another one tomorrow. But this can stay in your refrigerator. And it can keep for a while. So we have that. This is going to be my spoon that I used to stir. You guys know I don't like to double dip. And we're going to take a little bit of brown sugar, and this is 1 tablespoon here. I'm not sure I'm going to use the whole, well, no, let's just use about half of that. And we'll set the rest down. And then let's just kind of mix this up. Okay, and if you want to put almonds or any kind of nuts or raisins or whatever, if you want to put that in there, you can. And so see, we're just stirring that up. Actually, I think I'm going to put a little bit more. Just wanted to have a little bit of the brown consistency, as you would see if you go and purchase it anywhere else. Okay. And I'm going to taste it and see if I like it and what else I need to add. So, I'm going to get another spoon there and push that off. Most of my recipes that you're going to find here, my videos are pretty quick because I don't like to spend a whole lot of time in the kitchen, even though I do like to cook and prepare meals. But I like to prepare quick meals. So I'm going to take a little bit of the cinnamon and I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit in there like that. So it's not much. I used a bigger spoon because I wasn't sure how thick it would be, but let's try to stir it up with the smaller spoon. Okay, then we're going to mix that up. It's already starting to smell really good. Again, like I said, this will keep however much you make at a time. I just make a little bit at a time because I don't eat a lot of bread and a lot of bagels and all that. So, and then I'm going to take a little bit of the almond flavor. And I'll just pour a little bit in. Okay, and then I'm going to stir that up, and I just like pour a drop or two just for flavor. That smells good. And I'm just going to taste a little bit. Oh my God, that is so good. But I'm going to pour the rest of the brown sugar in. Okay, no matter what, it's better when you're making this at home, of course, because you're making it and you know exactly what ingredients you have going in it. Okay, so I have a cinnamon raisin bagel, so there's no need. I'm going to put a little bit more cinnamon in here. I don't need any more of the almond extract. We only need a little bit. And I'm going to take that. I'm going to taste it. My goodness. That is so good. So there you have it. Simple, easy, quick, and it's so good. You'll see. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of the melted butter on my bagel. It's just as if you were putting regular butter or something on your bagel. So I'm going to take my bagel over to the stove, and then I'm going to grill it on the stove, heat it up a little bit because I like it nice and toasty. So I'll be back. This is so good. You guys are going to absolutely love it. I'll try and make it a little pretty there for you. Oh, then you still have this left over, so you can save it. If you were going to a party or something, you'd have a good amount to make. If you're making it for your coworkers, you have a good amount to make there left over. Okay, we're over here at the stove. So I heated the pan up. So what I'm gonna do is just put this on there, put one down and one up, and just let that toast. You can use the toaster oven or a toaster if you want to, but I like to use my stove to toast my bagels. Okay, we're gonna check one side. Ooh, yeah, that's nice and toasty. We're gonna put the other side down. We're going to allow that to toast, and then we're going to spread our cream cheese. Okay, so I'm going to turn the stove off. It was on medium, so that's toasted, and that side is toasted. So I'm going to take this over, and we're going to put some of the nice cinnamon spread on. Here we are. Have my plum. I'm going to eat with it as well. And then, of course, waste not, want not. So I'm going to spread what's left on my spoon here. Okay, and then I'm going to take this and just put a little bit on there. You guys know me, I don't like to contaminate my dishes here. And I'm going to take that and spread a little bit on this side. And you have our bagel and cinnamon cream cheese, the homemade cinnamon cream cheese. And there you are. And then we're going to take this, cover it up nice and tight. I purchased these at Pally Royal. Comes in very handy. We're going to put our dishes up and we're going to eat our fruit with our bagel. Yum. There you go. There you have it. Nice, yummy cinnamon cream cheese. Thank you for watching. Until next time, make sure you subscribe.